2012 to 2018 Toyota Prius C maintenance light reset. So if your dashboard looks a little bit like this, you see that right there, what you're gonna need to do to reset your maintenance light is you're gonna have to go up in here, and what you're gonna use is this trip button right here. You gotta make sure that you're on the odometer, so not trip A or trip B, but the one that shows you your mileage. And you're gonna turn the key off and turn the key back on. When you see that little car drive up on the little blue screen, you're gonna hit the trip reset 3 times and hold it down on the 3rd time. So it's gonna look a little something like this. Key on, the little car comes in, 1, 2, 3, hold it, and then you see those numbers flashing, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, maintenance light reset. Boom, just like that. 2012 to 2018 Prius C4 maintenance light reset. Thanks for watching, homies.